Feeling lost in the crypto wave? This app might be your life raft. Ever feel like you're constantly one step behind in the ever-churning world of cryptocurrency? New coins popping up daily, complex DeFi protocols with interfaces that resemble NASA flight control, and the fear of missing out, FOMO, gnawing at your gut. It's enough to make anyone throw their hands up in frustration. But wait. Before you abandon the crypto dream entirely, let's talk about a solution that could be your saving grace, the Wave Finance app. Now, hold on a second. What exactly is Wave, and how can it help you navigate the often turbulent waters of the crypto sea? Wave, your gateway to DeFi's treasures. Think of Wave as your personal crypto concierge. It's a user-friendly mobile app designed to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the exciting world of decentralized finance, DeFi. Here's the beauty of Wave: it removes the complexity often associated with DeFi. You won't need a PhD in blockchain technology to understand how it works. Wave takes care of the intricate back-end operations, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your crypto portfolio. So, what can you do with Wave? Alright, enough with the generalities. Let's dive into the specifics and explore the key functionalities Wave offers. Effortless investing. Wave allows you to invest in a curated selection of DeFi protocols with a single click. No more spending hours researching different platforms and protocols. Wave's team of experts does the heavy lifting for you. They identify promising DeFi opportunities and make them readily accessible within the app. Fractional ownership. This is where things get exciting. Wave allows you to invest in high barrier to entry DeFi opportunities with just a small amount of money. Imagine owning a piece of a multi-million-dollar crypto project. With Wave, it's possible. This fractional ownership feature democratizes DeFi, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their initial investment capital. Passive income generation. Tired of letting your crypto sit idle? Wave lets you put your holdings to work and generate passive income. Through various DeFi functionalities like staking and lending, you can earn rewards on your crypto simply by holding it within the Wave app. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but on steroids, and way cooler. Seamless swapping. Need to convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum or another cryptocurrency? No problem. Wave's built-in swapping functionality allows you to exchange your crypto assets quickly and easily, all within the secure confines of the app. No more transferring funds across different platforms. Wave streamlines the entire process. Staying informed. The crypto world moves fast. Wave keeps you updated with the latest news, market trends, and insights from industry experts. You'll have all the information you need to make informed investment decisions right at your fingertips. Wave, more than just an app. Wave goes beyond just being a convenient app. It's a community. They offer educational resources and tutorials within the app to help you deepen your understanding of DeFi and its various functionalities. Additionally, they have a vibrant online community forum where you can connect with other Wave users, share experiences, and learn from each other. Now, here's the important disclaimer: the crypto market is inherently volatile. There's always a risk involved when investing in any digital asset. However, Wave helps you mitigate some of those risks by providing a secure platform, a curated selection of DeFi opportunities, and educational resources to empower you to make informed decisions. Is Wave right for you? If you're looking for a user-friendly way to enter the world of DeFi, then Wave is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for beginners who want to explore DeFi without getting overwhelmed by the technical complexities. It's also a great option for seasoned crypto enthusiasts who want to streamline their DeFi activities and explore new investment opportunities. With Wave, you can finally stop feeling lost in the crypto wave and start riding it with confidence. It offers a secure, user-friendly platform to invest, earn passive income, and stay informed about the ever-evolving DeFi landscape. So, are you ready to catch the next wave in crypto finance? Download the Wave app today and see where it takes you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.